gonna make me some mac and cheese Spam. I guess I'm making it because it shows it on the box, and I don't have salad, and I don't have bread, and on the back it shows mac and cheese Spam, and it just looks good right now. So we're gonna make mac and cheese Spam. I actually make mine in the microwave, at least this time. Oh, it's the simple stuff. I don't know what's in the cupboard. I don't go grocery shopping. Someone else does that for me. I'll put that in the microwave for 6 minutes, stir it, put it in there for another 6 with water. That should be enough water, and if it's too much water, it'll just overflow and fill up the microwave. Put that in the microwave for 6 minutes. Get out my Spam out of the can. It's Spam Light. It's also out of date. So I was like, I gotta do something with it. There we go. Still smells like Spam, so I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, just open that part. That's good. Oh, do I have a knife? This looks like it would cut something. Yep. Hopefully not my hand. There we go. Pretty good, pretty good. See, they come out in little chunks. Yummy. If you like Spam. If you don't like Spam, you should still eat it because it tastes like a hot dog to me. Keep that burner on high. And put you guys as far away from the camera part I need you to be in as possible. There we go. Need more light? Okay. All we're doing is just kind of warming them up. Guess we don't need that on high. It's mac and cheese. I was going to put some barbecue sauce on this, but it's going into mac and cheese. What would be good on mac and cheese? We could put some basil on it. Would basil taste good? I'll put something on here. 3.5 minutes left on the first cook of the mac and cheese. Bless me. Shoot. This is only out of date by 7 months. There's enough salt in it, I think it could go out of date. And when does Spam go out of date? It's like a Twinkie. I've only had it probably for 2 years. I'll let that sit for a little bit. That was a little bit. What do we need for that mac and cheese? I think we'll just pour that in and it's good. This mac and cheese once. Add sauce. That's it. I don't even have to add milk. It's the best mac and cheese ever. Basil's on everything. Looks great. Should we add a little bit of anything else? No. Basil would make it taste good enough. I'm trying to sound smart, but I don't even know what basil is. Probably a whole thing of stuff I could add over here. You guys still on? You see my Mountain Dew. It's been a while since I cooked Spam on the channel. Last one was a parody, I guess, because my friend still watches it and laughs. I think I dirtied a pan for no reason. 50 seconds over there on the mac and cheese. We would have been waiting here all night if I would have used the stovetop. Stovetop takes ages, even though it's gas, it just takes ages. I don't know why anybody likes gas stove, it's so slow. And it stinks the house up with fumes. Makes the house hot, it's not direct heat. 10 seconds left. Let's put you there and make you stare at a burner that isn't on. Stir it up. Looks like I'm gonna have too much water, but by the end it should all boil out and fill up the microwave. It'll be good. Another 6 minutes and that'll be done. For editing purposes, let's make that six minutes just disappear. Oh, what a mess I got going on here. That's my strainer. I'm gonna strain it over that pot that I just emptied the dirt out of today. I don't know what I put water in there for, but you guys are looking at a pot that used to have dirt in it, and now it's in my sink. Ding ding. Well, isn't that lovely? The water that didn't boil out, we now have to strain out. Look at that. Yeah, we did good. See all the water down there? Just a little bit, yeah? You gotta strain the rest of that crap out. It says do not strain, but I also think you're not using a microwave. I'll leave that water in there for another day. Oh, I forgot this thing has a built-in strainer on it. Don't need this. Cool little thing my parents got me. The strainer's built into the lid. Guess we got time frame. We gotta get this done. So you just push on the lid. And that got hot. Okay. Should we put the Spam in there first or the mix? I can't really put you guys right here, even though you're right there, because that's where the heat is. Is it gonna look just like? Well, it's looking so far so good. Look at that. Can't even see the mac and cheese. Could use some extra butter. Oh no, we only have the mac. We need the cheese. You guys are kind of looking out of the corner of my eye. I'm gonna have to put milk in it and all that. This is like lazy mac and cheese. Yeah. I know that cheese tastes good, but it's gotta go into the meal. Good enough. Put that cheese in my trash can so it'll smell good in the morning. Oh yeah. Will I eat all this? No. Will I attempt to eat it all? Yes. Like 4,000 calories. And I don't like cheese. Look at that. Does that look like what the can looks like? You guys can rewind it. I threw away the can. Look at that. You guys see that? Spam from a can into a pan with mac and cheese.